Welcome back to another video from the Crypto Market Updates channel. My name is Jack, and in today's video I would like to talk about a little project called Phantasma Chain. Phantasma Chain is a gaming application that has been developed sometime in 2019. It launched in 2019 and was all the rave in 2021 when it reached its peak of $3.96. That's when it saw its highest point, and its lowest point was lowest price tag was in March of 2020 at 0.009. Since 2021, December 2021, the hype has died down. There was a lot of hype around Phantasma Chain, and I was curious to see what it is. And so today the price stands at 21 cents. So let's have a look at Phantasma Chain and see what it is and see if it's worth being invested into, since it is at a very low price, as everything else is as well. This may be something of interest to those who are interested in the gaming community, and of course to those who are hoping to make some gains in their crypto. So let's have a look at what Phantasma is. One of the main selling points of Phantasma is the fact that the NFTs can be changed. The smart contracts have been developed in a way that allows developers to upgrade and change the NFTs.
The smart NFTs are programmable. The NFT's ROM data is immutable, but the RAM layer offers the revolutionary ability for NFTs to upgrade, evolve, or change. For game developers, that means you can enable in-game characters or items to level up, age, gain new skills or attributes, or degrade over time.
Which is a huge step up from NFTs like the Bored Apes Yacht Club and every other junky NFT that's out there that is just a horrible replica of a weird pixelated picture and has been hijacked. Every single one of them has been hijacked over the past year since basically the inception of NFTs. So this project has come up with something that is very unique and is very gameable, I guess, gamer friendly. So that alone, I think, makes Phantasma a very interesting project, a very interesting investment, because despite the fact that, again, the overall value of the project, the token, is down at the moment, everything else is down. We're going, the world is going through a massive economic downturn, and so cryptocurrencies are no different. But when we're looking at the future, I think this is something, having NFTs that actually are have the capacity to be worked on and adjusted and altered in this way is something that's very new and unique.
You a heartfelt thank you.
Yeah, that happened.
Also, in 2021, Phantasma was obviously promoted by the likes of Silent Bob.
We saw NFT drops from stars like Kevin Smith and Chris Jericho.
Indeed. So these two, they made NFTs, minted NFTs on the Phantasma Chain, and so that's a huge promotion, right? But that all died out sometime towards the end of 2021, and we are where we are. Nevertheless, the project is still in the works, and the community update on the platform continues to be done. The last posting here, community update on the platform upgrade and audits, happened September 29th, and they're just talking about the team has collaborated closely with Hacken to complete the full audit and testing of the entire upgraded Phantasma codebase. All issues currently raised by Hacken have been handled by our developer team, with the appropriate fixes already implemented and being tested on our testnet to ensure production readiness. Completing the launch puzzle, as made clear in our initial announcement detailing the major change, upgrade and audit, Phantasma is committed to becoming a decentralized blockchain owned by the community. Before this upgrade to the code, the blockchain was not ready to be decentralized due to the lack of a long-term consensus mechanism, which would allow for distributed validators to effectively and securely govern the network at scale, which is now come into fruition. When the chain resumes transactions following successful completion of Hacken's audit, it will go live with a comprehensive consensus mechanism built for scalability and community governance, along with 4 initial distributed validator nodes. We will then conduct testing of the network and chain upgrade through Q4 before adding additional nodes in Q1 2023. So the project is still in the works, but it is in the works. And from what it seems, it's already made some progress, obviously in the fundamental department. But, again, we are where we are in the overall economic downturn. So let's just have a quick look here at the website. The Phantasma experience, they've got token. There are two different tokens. There's Soul and Calories. Then there's Gaming, Pavilion, non-fungible tokens, dApps, decentralized applications can be built on it. Developers, I think there are 8 different programming languages that can be used on Phantasma. Built for gaming, the technological backbone of the future of gaming, enabling a silky smooth user experience while increasing developer revenue and empowering gamers through true digital ownership, delivering games through the groundbreaking Pavilion Game Hub by GoT, built by game devs for game devs and gamers alike. Who are GoT? GoT Entertainment is a Melbourne-based entertainment company that specializes in real-time rendering engine technology, accurately simulated vehicle physical, real-time traffic, AI simulation, and the building of bespoke vehicle-based projects. Comprised of a core development team of over 50 years combined games experience across major intellectual projects of the likes Star Wars, Transformers, Test Drive, Far Cry, Darksiders 2, LA Noire, and The Darkness 3, to name a few. GoT Entertainment are specialists in delivering projects at the highest level of quality, on time and on budget. So Phantasma Chain is partnered up with GoT, which sell themselves as a major player in the real-time rendering engine technology for a bunch of games and movies. Extending Steam functionality, publish your games on Steam, Pavilion, or both, and let users access their full Steam library while enabling a blockchain-powered in-game economy, taking digital asset ownership to meet next level through full user control of assets, utilizing Phantasma Smart NFT technology. Non-fungible tokens, that's, as I said earlier, this is probably one of the biggest selling points, that the NFTs on Phantasma Chain offer the ability to be upgraded, which is very unique and something exactly what you need for playing games. Phantasma Smart NFTs unlock near limitless possibilities for artists and developers at a minimal cost. Create on demand, no unnecessary costs, nested NFTs and multi-layered NFTs, perpetual royalties, automatically time-limited access to content, infusing multiple assets, and more. So this is definitely good for developers, right? Phantasma Chain has a dual token economy. There is the govern with Soul token and the fuel your experience with Cal. Get Soul and stake it to govern. Get Soul and stake it to govern Phantasma. Vote for governance proposals, earn K-Cal every day, use Phantasma for free, secure your unique name, and get storage. Everything on Phantasma is powered by Cal. Cover transaction fees, mint non-fungible tokens, deploy smart contracts. So I guess Soul is the main token that allows you to stake Soul, and then in-game tokens would be what you earn is the Cal tokens. It's kind of what Splinterlands does by having the Splinterlands in-game tokens, which you can use to stake, and then you can earn Splinterlands tokens. But Dark Energy is an additional token that can be traded in-game and used to purchase different things in the game itself. So that's kind of similar. And of course, there's a bunch of brands that Phantasma works with. It's listed on KuCoin Gate.io. KuCoin Gate.io, PancakeSwap, BKEX, don't even know, and BitBNS, and it is not listed on Binance yet, which means it's still early in the game. It's surprising that it's not listed on Binance, which may make the token even more enticing at the moment. Let's have a look at the team. So what we're about here, the Phantasma ecosystem. The Phantasma Chain has 5,000 transactions per second. There are 300,000 NFTs minted and uses 8 programming languages on the chain. Who are the developers? Let's have a look. Sergio F, blockchain developer at City of Zion, co-founder at Phantasma Protocol. What other projects has he done? Founder game developer Lunar Labs. Lisbon, Portugal, blockchain developer, City of Zion. So he's got some background in working on the blockchain. The second person, Bill Petridius, responsible for development operations, sprint and release management for the Phantasma blockchain and ecosystem. What has he done? Team informatics, development operations and release manager, Melbourne, Australia. Solution architect, Oracle, 3 years. What is the Oracle? We help people see data in new ways, discover insights, unlock endless possibilities. IT services and IT consulting, Austin, Texas. Okay. We're a cloud technology company that provides organizations around the world with computing infrastructure and software to help them innovate, unlock efficiency, and become more effective. Alrighty. E-commerce technical lead, business analyst, and Scott Gallagher. Who's Scott Gallagher? Marketing and crypto enthusiast. Okay, well, he doesn't do much else. A bunch of business developers, Phantom Force, community strategist, developer, manager. So the team is not that big, to be honest. Decentralized apps, Pavilion Game Hub. Makes sense to have a look here. Featured vehicle, I understand. It's an early access product. We are still adding our minimum features, so please be patient if you find that things are a little rough around the edges. Okay. View store page, DS Automobiles. This looks funky. What is this? The DS10's performance prototype was conceived to be a very high performance laboratory intended to accelerate the development of technology. DS Automobiles coming soon. About the game and sale. Okay, so this is I guess this is a game with pretty cool looking vehicles, maybe a racing game. High performance laboratory specifications. What do we got here? Race hub. Okay, well this would be probably an interesting place to interesting game. Let's see what else they've got here. 22 racing series. Okay, Winter Fury. Pretty realistic looking games. Winter Fury, The Gardens Between, Table of Tales, The Crown. So there are a bunch of games that are under development on the Pavilion blockchain. There's an NFT marketplace. So basically, Phantasma has an NFT marketplace here. Ghost Market, you can purchase your NFTs. Phantasma Farming. What is Phantasma Farming? Login via Poltergeist, login via Ecto. Okay, they're non-functional. So all in all, I don't know. I'm not a gamer myself, but this particular project had a lot of hype. There were, like I said, Silent Bob and the other dude from the movies, and also Bitboy Crypto Banter were also advertising and promoting this project in 2021, which is the reason probably why the project saw a massive run-up. And whatever happens, the team is still developing, still working on the project. It's still being worked on. So what's fantastic about this particular project is are the NFTs that can be upgraded and changed, which is very unique, very new to the NFT project. And I think it's something that can be worked on in the future, in the far future, probably next year, not next year, or even within the next 2 years, and definitely worked into the metaverse through virtual reality and AI, I'm sure. So, but the project right now is under development. It did have a lot of hype around it. So it's, if you look at it, For those who got in early, it is as it is always with every project. If you got in early in March of 2020 at 0.009 and then you sold it at December of 2021, then you made massive gains. Since then, the pump was of what, 2,193% gains over time. Right now the project stands at 22 cents, which is minuscule. It's a far cry, away from its all-time low, but knowing that its all-time high was at almost $4, the 22 cents that it's at right now is a pretty good place to start. So if you are looking for a project to invest, this Phantasma Chain may be a good project to look into. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure to smash up the like, subscribe to the channel. Just a disclaimer, I am not invested in this project. It's something I've been wanting to look at for a while. I just never got around to doing it. Maybe this is a good time because I'm showing it to you what it is and kind of explained what it is right now after the hype has died down. Make sure to smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.